Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to open your TikTok application on mute. So to do this, just have to open your TikTok application first. Then click on your profile picture at the bottom corner of your screen, at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, now click on settings and privacy. And then scroll down and click on playback. Okay, now toggle the switch on to open TikTok on mute. Okay, just switch that on by clicking on it. Okay, now let's close our TikTok application. Okay, and then open it again. So as you can see here in this video, the video is on mute. So in order to unmute that, you just have to click on that. Then the video will be the sound will turn on. So that's it. That's how you can open your TikTok on mute. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.